Anatomy venting sessions. Let's talk about anatomy. The vagus nerve. Oh, honey, look at this mess. It's so tangled, it makes spaghetti look organized. It's cranial nerve number 10, but it's number 1 in causing chaos. This nerve is doing the absolute most. It's like that one friend who can't stay in their lane. Oh, I'll just pop into the pharynx, the larynx, the heart, the lungs, the GI tract, the kidneys. Sit down. Breathe. Take a holiday, honey. The vagus nerve starts at the medulla, dives out of the skull through the jugular foramen like it's late for a date with dysfunction, and then just goes on a grand tour of the body. Neck, chest, abdomen, sure, why not? Might as well hit every organ like a clingy ex stalking your life. Oh, and don't forget the recurrent laryngeal nerve. A true drama queen. Wraps around arteries like it's doing interpretive dance. Left side goes under the aortic arch because of course it does. Why go straight when you can detour and confuse med students for centuries? Want to speak? That's vagus. Want to swallow? Vagus again. Want your heart to not explode from overworking during finals? Still vagus. And let's not even talk about how it's parasympathetic AF. Like, I'm just here to chill out your heart rate, make your intestines vibe, and keep your organs in rest and digest mode. Piper, no. And guess what? You're responsible for memorizing the whole mess and being quizzed on its branches, functions, and anatomical landmarks. Because who needs peace? Vagus nerve, you're a disaster, but you're also the reason I'm breathing, speaking, digesting, and not flatlining. So thanks, I guess.